What store?
Burlington Coat Factory, T.J.Maxx, and
Burlington Coat Factory is downstairs.
Here's downtown
T.J.Maxx is
Chicago.
upstairs.
Guess we got. I bet they're. Oh, isn't this thing wonderful?
guess what?
I love this thing. I'm not pushing my phone.
Me too is locked.
Lower level then. Drop.
I'll give you an update in a minute since he's filming, but Ronan, what's that elevator say?
I can't do it.
You can't do it right now.
Cool. Hey.
Wait a minute, I didn't even know this floor existed.
2.
Lower level?
Yep.
This is a.
Burlington looks like?
Yeah.
Don't
It's a
open this
Sirens cabinet.
cabinet.
No, Sam is. I'll explain later. It has the same motor as your apartment building had. Oh,
Yeah, we're stopping.
Oh, they ain't getting
I'm
on.
not gonna get on.
What's the rest for the other one upstairs? Going up?
Going up?
Yeah.
You wanna try to fit in or?
No, it's fine. I'm just organizing.
Okay.
Close.
Let's get off at the top.
Yeah.
You said there's another one on the other side? So
There is.
I gotta go see the
There is. I'll show you where it is.
That door operator sounds lovely.
I'll watch my fat ass and make the elevator re-level. After the doors back.
I'm just gonna keep filming. This is T.J.Maxx.
I would probably turn it off for now.
Okay. Guess that's gonna be it.